And just starting with a gentle body scan from the top of the head, just tracing down the body and bringing awareness into any spaces or parts of the body that feel tight and closed. To recognize that this sensation of tightening and contracting and rigidity are at odds with the very essence of surrender, and that our bodies hold this rigidity and can help alert us to the places in our life that need this practice of surrender. Just breathing space into the spaces in the body that are feeling tight or rigid, and giving permission to let go, giving permission to relax and release into the flow of life. Trusting the capacity of something higher to move us through this life with wisdom and integrity, creating space for a higher wisdom than our own. Trusting instead of our own control, trusting in the peace, the compassion, the love, the acceptance, the softness that we find when we're willing to release our grip and accept things as they are. I want you to bring two fists up, clenching the hands into fists, squeezing the hands tight, creating so much tension and energy in the hands, squeezing, breathing, feeling the tension, feeling the tightness, feeling the rigidity. And you might even bring to mind something in your life that is so hard to accept right now, something that you keep feeling this urge and almost compulsive need to control or change or fix, something that just really feels not okay. With your next breath, deep inhale, squeeze tighter, as tight as you can. And with the exhale, I want you to just slowly open the hands, feeling the blood return to the hands, feeling the source, feeling how that opening, that releasing, that letting go allows something higher, something that feels even mystical to flow back into the fingertips, into the palms. And recognizing that this tight, clenching, grasping way of moving through life is actually cutting us off from our source of wholeness. Release. Allowing life to be as it is in this moment, relying on a higher wisdom, a peace and compassion and softness that organically arises when we're willing to face and allow things to be just as they are. And that peace and love, it might often is found underneath grief, underneath the sadness, underneath the despair, underneath the anger. Our willingness to be in those spaces, to move through those emotions, and to accept this life as it is. Bringing us back to this 12-step mantra: I can't, he can, and I will let him. Thank you for practicing with me today. Namaste. You can click in the links below to find a free guide to offer you more resources on your path towards healing and wellness.